Welcome to MODA by Malcolm Academy. My name is Malcolm Oluwafumini Ayo. Today I'll be showing you how to solve your fitting figure problems through your pattern. So if the block has been drafted to personal measurements, it will provide a good fit unless there are special figures fault. So at this fitting stage is where faults are marked and the blocks or the block is corrected. So today we'll be looking at one of the shoulder problem, which is square shoulder fitting problem. These are wrinkles that pull from the outer shoulder. So let's get to the pattern. So as you can see, I already have my pattern. This is center front and that is the center back. So I'm going to start with the center front. So the first thing I need to do is from the tip of the armhole or arm cell on the shoulder, you mark down 3/8 to half inch downwards, slash the arm cell as shown to the neck point. Ensure it's not cut out. Then place on another paper. Ensure to secure your pattern block as shown. You use your nylon tape or paper tape. So you raise the parts you slashed by the amount required. That's half inch or 3/4 inch. You raise it up, then you secure it in this direction. Then you redraw the armhole. That's from the tip of the shoulder itself on the armhole. You redraw so you can have a definite shape. Kindly subscribe if you haven't. Please give this video a like and kindly share to your friends. Lastly, raise the underarm so that the arm cell measurements stay the same. Raise by the required amount marked or used on the shoulder. Redraw or reshape the armhole to accommodate the new measurement or the adjustment made. This is how you adjust it to fit in. So by doing this, you have successfully created another pattern for a square shoulder figure. And note that this armhole measurement, the circumference of this armhole and that of the back, by the time you adjust that of the back, is what you're going to use to draft out a perfect sleeve for this block. So the center front is ready. So this is the center back, and believe you me, what we did on the center front is what we are going to do. The measurement is what we are going to apply for the center back. So I did it so you will see that it's the same procedure. It's nothing too serious. Just ensure that the armhole, by the time you raise the parts you cut out, ensure that the armhole is sitting properly, and don't forget to raise the underarm as well and reshape, redraw. Then when you are done with this, ensure that you run a prototype. That is a prototype where the figure will come in to fit in and see how he or she is looking. Yes, this is not only for the women, it's for the unisex, that is the man and the woman. I appreciate you staying up to this moment. Thank you so much. Please like and share. Thank you. See you soon.